cover's over here.
Hi, girls.
You can walk faster than that, unless you're afraid of tripping on your long pant leg.
Nope, I'm good. I just don't want to get stung.
Oh, you're fine.
Wonder if you got the queen on that thing.
Possible.
That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, you're just gonna walk around.
So where do we go to see your videos? Do you have a website?
Would be the B-Man J,
Okay.
which that video won't go up for a few days.
What about the one where you were at Knoxville putting the packaging?
That one's in several different things, so I'm gonna have to kind of squish it together and then put it up there.
Oh, she was talking about the honey kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh,
Where
okay.
Tony was taking a picture, which I was looking at it, and as long as he got right up against the screen, it's like he's in there with me. I love my phone. Man, that quality is so great. So, it's like,
So one dead out and two.
yeah, 2 hives that need more room.
And I'll pull up that registration.
Coming through your website.
And to send to Freddie. You notice the hat I'm wearing?
Oh yeah.
It's from Freddie. Freddie's a good buddy. He's
got
the
one of
that
those
talked
hats.
with,
I
Bringing in
Just
pollen already.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Just
so they
so.
already found it.
Yeah.
We didn't see any waggle dances either. Yeah,
Well,
it was
she
quick.
just brought it in, so she blew doing a waggle dance.
Where did you see it?
It went in the door. You gotta watch quick.
Man,
Like all these girls that are just kind of floating around right here. What they're doing is they're figuring out where the sun's at, where their hive is, so it's their
My
address.
dad
All right,
says-
Jay.
So,
My dad goes, "You learning anything?"
Need
I
your
goes,
hot air out of your head.
here, just let go, let go, let go.
Okay.
Down, nice and easy there. Just kind of
Come on, bees, move.
quit on the edge.
Excuse me.
The ones I don't like, I'll show you here in a second, that a lot of people do, and they kill a lot of bees, and they're, oh, it's fine. You create a lot of work by killing those bees. Oh, heard one crack. You're bound and determined to kill something when
Look,
you
that
go
one's
in.
dragging the thing out.
Yep.
The larva.
Yep. It's like, all right, get it out of here. See, she dropped it down.
Yeah.
Can't quite get it.
It's too heavy for her.
So, the ones I don't like is when they take a box, they put it on here, and it's heavy, and they go guillotine.
Oh, then they chop the heads off a whole bunch.
Well,
Huh?
that or squish them, or if there's bees on the bottom of the box and bees on the top box, like that previous box right here,
Yeah.
if I'd done that, I would have killed a bunch just because. And it's one of those things, you learn it, and therefore you do it that way. And just like a friend of ours, Chris, he swears this board goes down. This
Hey,
here,
he says it always the opposite way.
or the board.
Yeah, like that. That's what he says.
No. He likes it like that.
That's how I put it.
Oh, so you like it that way.
Yeah.
He likes it this way.
What's the right way?
I like the boards that are in between, because if I put it this way, when I go put that inner or that top cover on, all these girls will be squished. If I do it this way, then I might kill a few here on the edges, but they have less ventilation this way.
Yeah.
So if I put it this way, I got more ventilation up here. That now this upper entrance makes sense, because then when they come in, they can go right here.
Yep.
Because most bees, when they come in, like 47% I think, when they come in, they take a right turn. When they come in, they take a right turn, then they got to figure out where the hole is. So if I put it like this, they come in, they take a right turn, they're going right here, boom, down, and they're filling it up. Now the other 53 are going straight or left, but you know, which way do you like it, Becky? This way?
Yeah.
Okay.
But which way did you like it? The
She
other
likes
way.
it upside down.
I like it the other way, so it creates
All right.
more ventilation, but it's all personal preference. It's whoever you learned it from is pretty much how you're going to do it.
See, I was told to do it this way because the bee space is correct on that way, not this way. Yeah, so see, it's like you get all this information from everywhere.
The first year is the hardest year.
Yes, it
Second
is.
year is the second hardest, and then after that, you usually got a pretty good idea.
And you've
So this
realized
girl
that
here-
you don't have to listen to anybody and do things your way.
Help her out a little bit.
Cool.
So this was actually this way,
Yep.
even though
Was the other way.
the notch was the wrong way.
Yes, it was.
Alright, so then slowly, oops, my board already slipped. Which is alright because I got a bunch of bees on that backside there. Come on, girls, get out of the way. Get out of the way. Heard somebody crack. Not bad. Only heard 2-3 cracks. What are you doing?
I was gonna put it near the entrance.
So are they gonna attack that hornet? 'Cause there's another wasp or whatever. That
Oh, I
thing
thought
is.
it went 360, so I was
Yeah.
doing.
Well, there's a seam between here.
Oh. I don't know how it
And
works.
actually, you get the backside. But it's fine.
First, I give you a couple seconds of
Oh, yeah.
See, look, he's
that.
trying to get in
Yeah,
there.
now you get
They're gonna
purples
kill
on the
him,
side.
right?